Hello and welcome to another episode of Goa 365's Face to Face. With me is a noted oncologist as well as a doctor who is very much in the thick of things and in the middle of this corona epidemic with rising cases. We have invited him to the show to give us a general idea of what is happening, what is the situation. Welcome, Doctor, to the show.
Well,
Yeah.
sure.
Doctor, I would like you to start with giving us a general status of what is happening around from green, we've gone to red, it's all over containment zones, all over the place. Could you give us a general idea of what exactly is happening on the ground? People are confused, many are in panic.
No, as of today, we have got approximately, I think, 1,300 total cases, but active cases are at around 700 or so. Because there are a lot of patients who are getting cured. And with the new policy that after 10 days of asymptomatic patients will go home, I think any amount of number which is coming as a new patients will get cured at the more or less same amount. Actually, when they equal, then we feel that there may be a plateau. Like suppose tomorrow 100 new patients come in and 100 gets cured. That means the balance is actually zero. So that means the overall load in the society will not increase. That's what is there. So equal when it will happen. That now it is around 70-80%. I feel. That means yesterday there was 95 new patients, but
Yes.
65 got cured. So around there is a gap of around 20-25 patients. So
Okay.
when it becomes equal, so 95 new patients come and 95 gets cured, then it will be like a plateau will come. As of today, our biggest plus point is the death rates are not very significant. Whoever has died has got lots of comorbidities. So you cannot put everything on COVID only because they have got other diseases also, which will also overall over a period of time would have taken a toll on that patient. Maybe
Yeah.
that
Yeah,
COVID
doctor.
has helped
Yeah,
it in.
just
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Just a small interruption in this. Now, my issue
Yeah.
is that, or our issue, people are generally asking, how is the spread going from all parts of the state? Any specific reason, and how can that be controlled?
See, we all the time was thinking that if we seal the border, the things will be over and all. Karke. But now, whatever spread is occurring is inside the state only.
Okay.
Like from Mangur Hill, it has gone to Valpai. From Valpai, it has come to Sakri. From Sakri, it has come to Bichorim. It has gone from Ambelim. From there to Fatarpa and all these things. So it is what is happening is internal, and what is worrying is the healthcare workers and those who are frontliners like police are getting infected. So I think that they need to protect themselves. The priority of this full work against COVID is that the health workers should be prevented, because if you decrease the number of health workers who are actually on the field, it will be a problem for everyone. So the prevention of healthcare workers from getting infected, which is this is the most important priority. So they should be taken care by the government and the authorities, so that maximum care is taken by them, and including police. Because police are also a very important part, and they are likely to spread faster than a healthcare worker will spread, because their understanding of the disease is not as much as the healthcare workers. So they may think that yes, I'll go to the marriage, I'll go and have some birthday parties and all, and tend not to do all the social distancing, which is a must in this thing.
Yeah, we have seen many of these. Now the containment areas are happening. People are locking down. They are taking the help of the police. But we have seen the police everywhere. In general, very casual. Maybe masks half up, half down in public areas. In very highly intensive where people. So maybe some awareness has to be created for them first, because if they are aware, then they can implement social distancing, which is very important. They can implement sanitization, or they can implement lots of things. If they themselves are not aware of the disease, the danger, and this, don't you think that is a stress point
I
that the
personally
government
feel,
should?
I personally feel that everybody knows what is to be done, but they are
I
not
see.
doing it.
I
You
see.
understand? Ne? You ask
Yeah.
them, you ask in a common man today what action he will take. He know that I have to wear mask, I have to keep a social distancing, I will have to wash my hands, I'll have to use sanitizer. Everybody knows, but he doesn't do it. What to do for these people?
Yeah, doctor, what
Tell
do
me,
you think? What do you think?
you think there's any soul on this in Goa who doesn't know what government is telling them to do? So it is problem is they just take things for granted. Like you have to go for a wedding. Wedding also has to be done with that social distancing, mask and all. If you see the wedding photos, everybody is with open, there's no mask, nothing's there. There's no need to celebrate wedding in these days, ne? You can just sign, make it legally and finish it off the process. See, the time is now these police, they're having birthday parties in their house. Now we don't know how are the houses of these people. So is there can there 25 people can be accommodated in their houses with the due social distancing? So these problems are there. So people need to understand that I will not do what is not needed to be done unless it is bare necessity. Like as a doctor, I have to go to the hospital. I can't say no to that. But I am not going to any parties. I am not attending Lions Club meetings. I am not going anywhere other than where I am supposed to go just because of my profession. That
Correct.
should be everybody's this. Even at house, me and my wife always keep around 2 meters distance. She sits on another sofa. I will never sit with her. Even when we are having food, we are having a distance. So whatever possible from your side, I think you should do. Now you are
Doctor,
all the time telling that government should do, government should, but we are not doing ourselves. So it is not. What is government? Government is we are only government. No? If we are not helping ourselves, then who will help us?
Doctor, what I'm saying is that this social distancing seems to be a problem throughout India. The Prime Minister himself has brought up this issue, saying that people are not willing to listen. In Goa, also, the Chief Minister has brought up. So, like, if this is not maintained, then obviously the cases are going to rise because there is a
Yes.
lot of social contact and there is a lot of this. And if one is you found a positive, and especially with these rains, and then it can go to so many other people. So,
And basically, what happened in social media also, like WhatsApp and all, there are some doctors only saying that we don't need to wear mask, you don't need to do anything. This virus is just like a flu virus. So that confuses the people. See, this social
okay,
media has worsened the issue. It has helped also in no way. It has helped also by spreading a good, knowledge about this disease. But when one doctor says something and two more doctors say something else, then people get confused. And then
okay,
on that there are so many fellows says yes, with this I am can cure you, with this I can cure you, and that these things are. I feel there should be one official spokesperson who can tell Baba this is correct, okay, but you can't stop, ne? Everybody makes his own video and flashes it
puts
on
it
the
on,
WhatsApp meter, and it
puts
goes
it
viral
online.
because people like to hear from doctor that mask is not needed. So he says his doctor is correct because he said that mask is not needed because he speaks his what he wants to do. So
Yeah.
these things, I think everybody has to take WhatsApp also with due intelligence. You have to use your intelligence to see that yes, this is likely to be correct or not. Find out from officially websites of the WHO is there, Family Welfare Government of India ka websites are there, government websites are there. Go from official websites and find out what is correct.
What about these containment areas now? People are, the authorities are making these containment areas and the panchayats are locking down panchayats. Because, is this not fear and panic? So,
To
how
tell you
relevant is
frankly,
it?
I am not at all in favor of all this locking and all. Personally, I am
Okay,
not favor. I think people just do their own things, what they are supposed to do. I think we can contain the disease. Problem
okay,
is you lock down everything. Then people don't have. See now what has happened in Mangur. They are upset that they are not getting food. You are giving them 1 kilo of rice, 1 kilo of dal. People are not in a habit of sacrifice now. People have lost that thing that I need to sacrifice also. Okay, I can wait for a month with dal, rice, and not. I want to have fish every day. I want to have mangoes. I want to have everything. So they feel that government giving you only dal and rice. So there is a discontentment when you have contentment in discontentment among the people. So to
but
keep them under control, you see all of them coming on the roads, and
yeah,
where is this social distancing will occur? And
but
in
is there a
government, if you
choice?
have more and more, yeah, more and more containment zones are there, government machinery is stretched now. How you can
Yes,
have so many people who are working for in the same condition? There is a stress on the police, there is stress on the health, there is stress on the electoral system, all BDOs, all these things, the magistrates, everybody, and it is not going to stop in maybe a few days. It may have another 2-3 months. So you have to keep that energy on. How long you can keep the energy on? Same thing every day, discussing on COVID. How long? People will get psychology disturbed after some time.
Yeah. Anyway, let's move in to a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Yeah, doctor, you were talking about these containment zones and people having to maintain their sanity, or maybe, as I say, we have to learn to work in a new reality. So yes, could you please continue?
See, we have to understand that we also need to sacrifice. But people also, have forgotten how to sacrifice because they have not seen the worst days. Like how our senior, very old population must have seen 1947 fight for independence and other things. This new generation has not seen anything there. Second important part is government is stressed because now you are the more and more you are taking stadiums. To make a stadium of 200 beds to put there and the logistics involved in that 200 beds, then you take another these hotels and do logistics. It's not easy job to do all these things, to keep around 600-500 people for 10 days and look after them, food and other things. It's just stressful for the everything. So there was another this that asymptomatic positive patient can be a home quarantine. But
Yes.
home quarantine, your neighbors are shouting against you. They have thrown you out. Their father, and there is a fight inside the house that you should go out of the house. I am not going to keep you in my house and all.
How relevant is that?
It is important because see, the home quarantine is the best option have, so that you are staying in a home environment which is suitable to you. Take care of social distancing in here, but this thing can be done provided you have a house where you have a separate room with a separate bathroom, so you don't interfere with the others at home. Now, if you don't have this, then you have to go for institutional quarantine. But still, Goa government has not given that option for it. Like for example, doctors. Doctors are elite, the healthcare worker. They know how to take care of themselves. They should be allowed to home quarantine so that the pressure on the other system is becoming less. Those who have got better house can stay in that house. To keep them all 200 people in Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, you know what is the problem? The amount of logistics required into giving them food, bathrooms, cleaning of the bathroom, the amount of PPE will be using, those who are their workers who will be having. Sudden suppose bathroom gets clogged, then you need full machinery to open that bathrooms. So 200 people staying together of different variety, it's not easy to do all these things.
But
So
doctor,
home
now
quarantine
there
is
are
one
some
of the
areas,
options.
panchayats, they've been closed down. Many of those people don't have toilets. They have community toilets. So how is the government going to cope up with this?
No, even in community toilets, you have to don't go on touching everywhere. You do whatever you want to shit there, you want to pass urine, don't unnecessarily touch around. Clean your hands once you come out. Don't touch your face
Face.
repeatedly. And then wear mask. That's okay. That's okay. I don't think
Yeah,
there should be any problem.
yeah. I just want
So
to come
basically,
back
you
to one
have
point.
to take care of yourself. One thing I can assure you. Just tomorrow, even government says tomorrow, okay, we will do everything. Government is trying its best. That doesn't mean you should not try, no? We should try to ourselves that I want to remain healthy, then I have to follow all those things.
But
I cannot just
doctor,
say that government ne karunga, government ne karunga.
you feel that masks, sanitization, social distancing, I'm repeating this, I know, but you feel that this is the important and the way
Crux.
forward for us to
This
live,
is the crux. The crux. Whatever
okay.
you do, lockdown, how many days you will do? 8 days, 10 days. We have already done it, no? Around 21 days or almost 30 days we did. 2 months we did. But we cannot control the virus. It is just postponing the virus. So till the virus gets, itself mutated and its virility goes down or the vaccine comes in action, till then we have to protect ourselves. So that
So,
protecting ourselves is only these three things. And I think you have to do it very seriously. People have taken it very lightly. So you please
masks,
be serious and do it.
masks, sanitization, social distancing.
Social distancing. Yeah. Absolutely. And social
That is the way
distancing also,
forward.
unless you have to come really, you can speak from 2-3 meters away. Don't come in. And unless you are really, you have to do those functions, please don't do the any functions. Don't mix up unnecessary if you have, because you don't know who is coming in front of you. So you have to think that one who is I am speaking to may be a COVID positive patient. Think like that. See, unless you don't think, then you will not make out, and you will be very casual. Oh, he's my friend. He may not be positive, and he might turn out to be positive tomorrow. See, my patient that day called me in the morning, sir, I have taken appointment with you in the evening. So I told him why you are coming. So he's my old case of cancer patient. So he said no, 8 years back I had operated on him. He just said no, I have got fever, cough, and I have some backache and all I am having. I told him you go to the flu clinic and just test yourself. He's turned out to be positive. Now he had not phoned me, and he had come to me in the evening. I would have been in the soup also. Now
Yes.
that's why we are taking care of this. Now we are wearing face shield over that. So the face shield is the one which is very important, which I have shown you. I think you have seen this or not. I don't know. This is the face shield how we wear.
Okay.
Very simple thing. But this is the most important face shield which you can wear like this, which can prevent you from direct contact with this. Plus, it prevents your hands only going and touching your
Touching
face.
your face.
So face shield also for a healthcare worker is extremely important. So unless you think that the next this front this who am I meeting this fellow is maybe a positive patient, then only you will take care. So you have to think that. Like we had got one more one doctor from health center. One patient came to him. Actually, he has brought another patient. Then he said, "Just examine me also." And he said, "What is your problem?" "I have a fever and I have got a little cough." Then he said, "Have you done the test?" See, if the doctor does not think that this patient also, every patient can be a COVID positive, he would have mixed up with him. Immediately he could diagnose him and he could send him away. So this, so everybody now has to prepare their mind that yes, one I am meeting, the next one may be a positive fellow, and then you can prevent yourself. Otherwise, you will just take chal le yaar hai, yeah, bopa yeah, pop marung yeah. You will have a birthday. You will go for a this that, go for a stroll. Why you want to go on this another 3-4 months? Please see that next year we'll go for a holiday. You don't have to go to the beaches and all now. We just another 3-4 months. You have to be extremely careful of your life. We should sustain this 2020 so that 2021 we can enjoy.
So a lot of this, it depends on the people, depends on how disciplined or how much in control the people are. Is this what you're saying?
Absolutely, absolutely. In the end, it turns out to be you have to be disciplined for your life. Just because tomorrow you know to me government gadi marta nahi mara gadi. Suppose tomorrow government doesn't do anything, you will die. Finally, who is going to die? Not government, nahi. You are going to die. So you be careful about your life, no? Suppose government सांगेल नका तुम्ही मास्क घालू नका हे घालू नका पण तू घालचो ना. You have to take care of yourself. See, government you can depend for a limit. Government can give you this much. And I can give you, testing facility. You know how much government has spent on testing? Around 60 to 70 crores as of
I
now.
see.
Is spent on only testing. Because testing expenditure per person is nothing less than 1,500 to 1,800 rupees. Just to do the test. And the government has already crossed 70,000 testing. So you
Yes.
imagine the amount of money spent. So it is not easy that money doesn't come. पहिली म्हणजे income कमी असा, तातून you are spending money. So expenditures are heavy. So everybody has to prevent himself from getting infected. The testing आम्ही म्हणता पण कितके म्हणून टेस्टिंग करतलो तू आणि कोणाचे म्हणून करतलो टेस्टिंग. So you
That
have
is
to have a
also.
knock. But I am positive. Yes, my family first tested. Then my households in around 15-20 houses around me, or I have gone and met someone and have spent time with him for more than 5 minutes. These are the people. So I am also not wearing mask. He is also not wearing mask. We need to test. And then actually testing should happen maybe somewhere around 5 to 7 days. आम्ही आपले करीत
Correct.
असतो आपले टेस्ट. निगेटिव्ह
Immediately
घेतले होते
test.
टेस्ट.
Is no point,
It
no,
may be
because that
negative.
incubation period is there, no?
Period it will be negative. You will be happy that yes I am negative करके. So it is important that but कशा सध्या लोकांक कोण सांगतो ना म्हजी टेस्ट करून झगडून बसतात थंय. So we have to also understand that you have to listen to the health officer who will take a decision that when
Okay.
you require to be tested. ना ना म्हणजे
Okay.
ताजे तुवें केलें म्हजें कर ताजें केलें हाजें केलें फ्रंडाचें केलें म्हजें करा आणि देन देर इज पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर ऑल्सो डू फॉर माय कार्यकर्त्यांचे करा म्हणजे हाजें करा दिस इज नॉट द वे इट इज डन न्ही that
Yeah.
doctor has to be in charge of all these things. He will decide whom to be whose priority. Yes, this is the patient in his family, and maybe around 50 meters, whoever comes in within that family, around the houses, you can test first. Second, whoever is actually come in contact. हिस्ट्री सांगता आपण हाजे कडेन गेल्लो हाजे कडेन आपले 5-10 मिनटां आपण बसला ताजे बरोबर आपण च्या घेतल्या हे घेतले देन यू टेच देम not just who is staying around 200-300 meters away and he's saying no तो माझ्या गावचो कळ्ळें नाही I have not come in contact then why you are testing him unnecessarily.
So basically,
So this
experts have to be in
experts
charge.
has to decide I mean you allow a free hand to the expert which has happened in Karnataka. I
And in
spoke to that
Kerala also.
Dr. Ravi also I spoke, who is an epidemiologist, top number one, who is controlling there. And he said that you have to use now new apps. You have to use app and GPS. So you once use in home quarantine, you should put that band like him, and you can trace
Okay.
him where he's going. So all these things need to be done. You have to use the technology. Then you have to take the telephone directory of his telephone and see whom he has called in last
Call. So
50,
many.
50 calls he has called. Catch those people and do their test. Because highest chance of getting spread is the first contact. Suppose I am positive and you come in front of me and I spoke to you, you are the first. Or you are traveled in my car, you will be the first. You are staying with me, you will be the first. Then those people who have come in contact with the second fellow, means like your wife. Suppose you are having wife has gone somewhere and then there is a second contact. Then third contact. So like this. So first contact can spread it to 10 people. The second
Okay.
contact may be 4 people. The third contact may be
Okay.
1 or 2.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that way the virility is there. So the
Okay.
first contacts are very important.
Okay, doctor. Now, one thing I want to ask you. Now, all this is fine, spread and all that. Ultimately, we need to find a cure, and secondly, we need a vaccine. So, where have we reached on that? There are so many things that are coming out. No, this is good. This is good in first stage.
So
This is
one
good in
good
second
news.
stage. So,
There is
give
one
us
good
some
news.
clarify.
Biotech, Bharat Biotech is one of the top companies which has
Yeah,
selected one of the Goa hospital for
I
doing the
see.
trial.
Which is that?
Yeah, and that is Dr. Sagar Redkar.
Okay.
Redkar
Okay.
Hospital in Dhargad. He has
Okay.
selected. He's he's in this studies and all. So he's
Okay.
done. So with one Goa is on the board for the vaccine trial. So I feel
Okay.
that we might get a little bit earlier than other people get,
August
and I
15th
hope I
म्हणटानो तूं?
know that they succeed in getting this.
August 15th म्हणटानो they are going to start release the first vaccine.
They should come positive. All those findings has to come no properly.
Okay. So what
So
are the
I hope
various
that is.
vaccines? What are the
So
various
see,
vaccines which are
lot of
in line?
companies are going on for vaccine. The testing facilities, antigen testing, antibody testing, lot of things are going on. But in the end, when it comes in the market, it's really important for me. You may do lots of studies and you may do lots of things. For me, as a common man, as a doctor, I want it to be available to me.
So what do
Tomorrow
you
it's
think?
available
When
in
are we?
USA.
When is it
Tomorrow it's
expected?
available in USA, and we are just looking at the Trump. Baba, धाड रे, Baba, म्हणून. How it is successful? So that fellow, he has
So
booked full remedies for him.
yes,
So,
that I know.
but our pharma companies are very strong companies. We have got a very powerful our vaccine these pharmas. So I
Correct.
think they will bring fast. But till December, I think we have to take care. Till December.
Okay. Vaccine is one thing. Yes, possibly by November, December, we may get at least the hotspots. But that hotspots is not Goa. Hotspots will be
Yeah,
Bombay, Delhi,
they don't
various
consider
places.
Goa as a hotspot at all. We are
Exactly.
hotspot
That's
in
the
only tourism. We are
not
hotspots
anymore.
in only
Not
tourism.
anymore. Not anymore. But anyway, doctor, what I'm talking about. What about the cure? What about the treatment? That give us some idea
So it
because
is a
lots of
virus.
things.
The virus, there are no cures.
Okay.
Virus, there is no cure. You have to develop your antibodies and you have to fight it out.
So
Now, what we
symptomatic
can, the
treatment.
new medicines, what you are telling is just to support your body.
So
Remdesivir is
symptoms.
there, HC2 and other things we are saying. It's just to support you. But important is that you have to your body has to fight. So your immunity is important. So if you are already suffering from cardiac disease, you are suffering from kidney problem, cancer problem, neurological problem, all these things will give you a problem over a period of time. So you have to take care of yourself maximum. See, all who are now critical patients in ESI are all who are having these problems. We don't have a
Sure.
single young fellow who is sick there. We
Okay.
have got fellows who are sick, who are having suffering from cancer or some kidney failure, from all those things. So we have to protect these people. We have to protect senior citizens and very young people. Rest in
Okay.
between, the people will sustain this onslaught. So it's very
Okay.
important. But at the same time, we should not forget that we are COVID, 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 and what about the non-COVID people? Non-COVID patients also are there. My cancer patients are there. My radiotherapy, I have to give them chemotherapy. I have to operate on them. Yeah, I have to operate on the cardiac patients. Now, if I don't operate them on now, another 3 months, cancer mortality will increase. All the
Yeah,
patients who
that's
have got not properly treated for last from February onwards will be able to, not sustain for long. So in August and all, you will find that all cardiac deaths, all cancer deaths, all neurological deaths will increase suddenly. So we need to take care of them also. That's why we were telling government also that you don't involve too much private sector into COVID management. So you'll give us time because we will treat the non-COVID patients because they also need to be looked after. Yes, tomorrow there is the problem that yes, government is not in a position to cope up with all these things. They have to rope in the private sector. We will all come in. No problem. Suppose for example, like in Bombay, no Bombay private sector also is treating everything because they
okay.
have come to such a level that it's just
They
not
don't have a
possible for
they
them.
don't have a choice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, having.
doctor.
We have still choice because we have got hospitals which can still only other than around 15, 20 patients who are very serious. Rest all are quite happy-go-lucky. They are taking their videos and sending. So
Yeah.
where is the problem?
Okay,
Now
doctor,
we
we have
can't.
run
See,
out of
our problem,
time.
main problem is not too many serious patients should come simultaneously. That is the
Yeah,
problem.
then we have an
At the
issue.
same time, suppose there are 200 people come who require ventilation, then is a problem. We may have
Yeah,
200 ventilators there, but do we
but we
have a
can't.
manpower to manage them? It's not
Yes.
easy to handle the manpower.
It was a very, very illuminating. And one thing that has come out ultimately, we have to take responsibility for our health, social
Ourselves.
distance, masks, this. Thank
Absolutely.
you very much. Thank you very much, doctor. And keep watching Goa 365.